But I said, no, just stay in your seat, stay open, and let the emotions move through. So I was able to do the whole conference fairly comfortably. And then I went to conference number 2. Once again, just in the audience, same stuff came up. Oh, this is so loud. It was even bigger. You know, why can other people do this and I can't? What's wrong with me? Feeling a little bit broken. Well, hung in there. I just kept noticing my emotions, letting them move through me. And then when I went to the 3rd conference, a friend of mine came with me. And she saw me shaking people's hands and being so comfortable connecting with them and really having fun. And she said, oh, you're so good at this. What? How did I get from diarrhea and nail biting to you're so good at this? And here's what happened. So I want to tell you about 2 scientific studies because my PhD is about this notice, name, relax, release technique. My whole research is about the intersection between mindfulness and mental health and how we show up in the world. So there's 2 studies, and I see you rolling your eyes, but hang in there because it's short and you're going to remember this so well, you're going to go home and you're going to tell your family members. The first is a Harvard study saying that emotions, feelings, they only last 90 seconds.